are going to discuss an important topic of population ecology, that is mutualism. Mutualism is a positive type of population interaction. In this type of population interaction, both the interacting populations are benefited. If A and B are two interacting populations in mutualism, species A helps B, but species B also helps A. This type of population interaction is also designated as positive type of interaction. The association has a unique feature in that it is essential for the survival of both the interacting populations, which means neither species can live without forming this type of association. There are a large number of examples of mutualism in nature. Few examples are mentioned below. The first example of mutualism is pollination in the flowering plants by the insects and birds. Here, the flowers of these flowering plants get pollinated by these insects and birds, which is essential for the completion of life cycle as it results in the formation of seeds and fruits. But in return, these insects and birds also get a benefit as they are provided food in the form of pollen and nectar by these flowering plants. Another example of mutualism is symbiotic nitrogen fixation by the rhizobium bacteria while living in the roots of leguminous plants. Here, rhizobium bacteria form the root nodules in the roots of leguminous plants like Pisum sativum, like soya bean. In these root nodules, these rhizobium bacteria help in the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen gas into the ammonia, a process known as nitrogen fixation. This nitrogen fixation is beneficial for these leguminous plants as they require large quantities of nitrogen for the formation of protein-rich seeds. But in return, the rhizobium bacteria is also benefited from this type of association, as rhizobium bacteria is heterotrophic in nature and is provided glucose by the leguminous plant. Another example of mutualism is the mycorrhizae, a symbiotic or mutualistic association between the fungi and the roots of higher plants. Here, fungi, while forming association with the roots of higher plants, help in the absorption of phosphorus, nitrogen, and water to these plants, but in return also is benefited as the plants provide glucose to this heterotrophic fungi. Thank you.